Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The window is one of the basic elements of the Windows operating system. You perform most activities in different windows within the application. Most windows share a similar structure and layout. Windows appear within a frame. At the top of the frame is the title bar. The title bar usually shows the name of the window or its contents. You use the title bar to control the size and placement of the window in your desktop. You can have several windows open at the same time in Windows. You can also control the size and placement of the windows within your desktop. A window can be opened either in maximized mode, restore mode, or minimized mode. If you look at the right end of the title bar within an open window in a desktop, you will see a 3-button group. These buttons are, from left to right, minimize, maximize or restore, and close. You can click the Minimize button in the title bar of an open window to send the window down to the taskbar at the bottom of the desktop. Although you cannot see the content of the window, it is still open and active. You may choose to minimize a window to access information in a different window behind the one you minimized. Minimizing a window temporarily gets it out of your way. To show the minimized window on screen again, click the entry for that window in the taskbar. In Windows, when you minimize windows of the same type, meaning windows from the same program, the windows are grouped together using a single icon in the taskbar. You can hold your mouse pointer over that icon in the taskbar to then view the individual windows in the window group in small pop-up windows. You can then click a pop-up window to restore the selected window's on-screen display. Clicking the Maximize or Restore button toggles the window between those two modes. Maximizing a window means making it large enough to fill your entire computer screen. If your window does not fill the entire screen, then click the middle button of the 3 located at the right end of the title bar to maximize its display. This lets you view more of the information within a window. Many users like to work in this mode as it has the most available room for each window. Note that hovering over the Maximize or Restore toggle button in Windows 11 shows the snap layouts in a menu below it, which we discussed in the last lesson. If you have multiple windows open, and they are all maximized, you cannot view them simultaneously. To switch between multiple maximized windows, click the taskbar icon for the window to view. Doing that then brings that window to the forefront of the stack of windows above any other opened windows, which then recede behind it. Doing this is called toggling between the open windows. This is a technique helpful to master if you need to work with more than one window at a time. You can also toggle between opened windows by using the keyboard shortcut of Alt plus Tab on your keyboard. To do this, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Then press the Tab key repeatedly until the desired window appears selected in the choices shown on screen. Once the desired window is selected, then release the Alt key. If your window is already maximized, clicking the middle button of the 3 at the right end of the title bar instead changes the window to its Restore mode. The Restore window is a smaller window that lets you change its size and position within the desktop. To resize a window when the window is in Restore mode, place your mouse pointer over the border of the window's frame that represents the direction in which you want to resize the window until your mouse pointer turns into a double-pointed arrow. When you see this arrow appear, you can then click and drag to change the size of the window. Then release it when the window is the desired size. To move a window when it is in Restore mode, click and drag in the empty area of its title bar to move it to a different area within the desktop. Then release it when it is in the desired position. Restore mode is useful for copying files from one window to another and placing opened windows side by side for comparison. The last button at the right end of the title bar has a big X in it. This is the Close button. Clicking it closes the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.